Guys, you ever notice that like the last thing that you think of in terms of something being cool is a pocket tee? It kind of, I don't know, they're kind of like something that you would see on like your uncle or something. Like, I don't really see anybody doing anything cool with pocket tees. But guess what? I'm gonna show you how you can make some really cool pocket tees and hit a niche that people are crazy about, okay? Dogs.
Where my dogs at? We right here, dog.
Let's get it.
T-shirt help desk.
So what I'm gonna do, right, I have this gang sheet with all these absolutely adorable dogs, and you know, people love their dogs.
He shot my dog.
I get it. With different breeds, right? And I'm going to have the dog coming out of the pocket, you know, giving a peace sign, giving a hang loose, and it's going to be cool. And I also have these, you know, right? Which is like a hang loose, West Coast piece. And we have this alien thing right here, right? So the pocket is going to be space, and he's going to be coming out of the pocket. So without any further ado, let's cut these up and let's put them on some tees. We have these cut up, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna place these in the pocket, right? So they're gonna be coming slightly out, and we're gonna print it just like that. And same thing with these hands, right? It's just really, really fun, but we're gonna make pocket tees cool. And this one, the black tee, we're gonna have our alien coming out. And the actual pocket, we're gonna print the pocket too. It's gonna be like space, right? So it's gonna be a lot of fun. And let's get into it. So we're gonna do this one first. We're gonna give this a hot little, nice little pre-press because it's kind of wrinkly. Smooth like butter. So first things first, we're just gonna put this over the pocket, just like that. Really, really simple. 320 for 15 seconds, medium to heavy pressure. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Star, I mean, that in and of itself is a really cool t-shirt, just by itself. But we're gonna throw the alien giving us the thumbs up, we're gonna throw that on top. So let's see what happens. So you're gonna go in and lift up, and there you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're just gonna throw him in, and we're gonna give it a finishing press. Look at that. How cool is that? Let's do some more. And we're just gonna throw him in the pocket. We're gonna hit that. Pull it out. Especially since I'm in LA, we got that West Coast. Yes. I'm gonna put him right in that pocket. All right, once it's done, you peel with confidence, go in there and just pull it up. We're gonna take our corgi, look at him. You can pull from the bottom, from the top. West, y'all. You know you want one. Anybody who has a friend. Even people who don't. The big booty dogs, corgis. All right, you gotta love that. Hey folks, I want to take a minute to talk to you about Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying. The book has been updated
with so much information, all the great information from the original book, but updated with current up-to-date information, especially the implementation of AI. But wait, there's more. There's also the new companion book, the Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying workbook, sketchbook, and journal, to where you literally can open it up, answer the questions, write in everything, do the sketches, and literally by the time the book is over, you will have a blueprint and roadmap to starting the T-shirt business, okay? They go together like peanut butter and jelly. Start a T-shirt business or Die Trying, 10th anniversary edition, and the companion workbook, sketchbook, and journal. Available on Amazon.com.
Let's go.
Back to
All right, so guys, look at these. Now, come on now. You know how people feel about their dogs, all right? So, and these make pocket tees really, really cool, all right? So, let's go down the line. We have our French Bulldog. We have our Pit Bull. We have that West Coast. You don't just have to do animals. It's just simply having something come out of the pocket, making the pocket cool, all right? We got Big Booty Judy over here, our Corgi, right? And my personal favorite, we have the Space Alien with the Space Pocket Tee. I love this. I'm gonna rock it right now. So, guys, don't be afraid to do pocket tees as long as you make the pocket do something, right? Have fun with the pocket, and you can do this with a gang sheet from Supercolor. So let me show you guys how easy it is to order, all right? You just go over and open up store.supercolor.com, and you want to go up to products, and you want to go down to Super DTF, right? And you want to hit that gang sheet. Then you want to go over there, hit Super DTF. And it's so simple. You click upload your artwork. You can drag and drop, or you can just go like I'm going to do, all right? Drag it, click open, and it is right there. Add a little description, dogs on a cotton t-shirt, and you want to go down and check out. Simple as that. We turned this into these. And here's the great thing about a gang sheet. You can just have, these can come up to 15 feet, and you could have every dog imaginable go to a dog show and just come home with bang. Or you can sell them online. So anyway, I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm going to go adopt a puppy right now, okay? Anyway, put on my shoes, slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.